Buddha,
the enlightened one,
the enlightened one.
let's read.
Let's read.
Long ago, in the city of
In the city of
Kapilvastu,
Kapilvastu,
there ruled
ruled
a king
a king
called
called
Shuddhodhana.
Shuddhodhana.
He had a son
He had a son
called Siddhartha.
called Siddhartha.
Siddhartha lived in a beautiful palace.
in a beautiful palace.
He had
He had
everything
everything
he wanted.
he wanted.
He wore
He was
fine clothes.
fine clothes.
He ate
He ate
good food.
good food.
He had
He had
a beautiful wife
a beautiful wife
and child.
and child.
King Shuddhodhana
King Shuddhodhana
saw
saw
to it
to it
that
that
Siddhartha
Siddhartha
never saw
never saw
anything sad or ugly.
anything sad or ugly.
One day,
One day,
Siddhartha was driving
Siddhartha was driving
along in his chariot.
along in his chariot.
He suddenly
He suddenly
saw a man
saw a man
who was thin
who was thin
and groaning with pain.
and groaning with pain.
What has happened
What has happened
to that man?
to that man?
Siddhartha
Siddhartha
asked his charioteer.
asked his chariot.
He is
He is
only
only
a sick man,
a sick man,
said the charioteer.
said the charioteer.
All of us
All of us
get
get
sick sometimes.
sick sometimes.
When he saw
When he saw
the sick man,
the sick man,
Siddhartha
Siddhartha
became sad.
became sad.
Why do people become sick?
Why do people become sick?
And
And
why should they suffer?
why should they suffer?
He thought to himself.
He thought to himself.
Another day,
Another day,
he saw
he saw
a thin
a thin
old man
old man
on the road.
on the road.
The old man
The old man
could hardly walk.
could hardly walk.
Who is that man?
Who is that man?
He asked his charioteer.
He asked the charioteer.
He is only an old man.
He is only an old man.
Your Highness,
Your Highness,
said the charioteer,
said the charioteers,
all of us
all of us
have to become old.
have to become old.
Siddhartha was
Siddhartha was
once again
once again
very sad.
very sad.
Why should people become old and sick?
Why should people become old and sick?
He thought,
He thought.
what is the use of such a life?
What is the use of such a life?
On the third day,
On the third day,
he saw a dead man.
he saw a dead man.
Everyone was crying.
Everyone was crying.
Why is everyone crying?
Why is everyone crying?
What has happened to that man?
What has happened to that man?
He asked the charioteer.
He asked the charioteer.
That is only a dead man.
That is only a dead man.
Your Highness,
Your Highness,
said the charioteer,
said the charioteers,
we all have to die one day.
we all have to die one day.
Siddhartha felt very sad.
Siddhartha felt very sad.
He did not like to see
He did not like to see
suffering
suffering
and sickness
and sickness
and death.
and death.
One day,
One day,
as
as
he was driving
he was driving
along in his chariot,
along his chariot,
he saw
he saw
a holy man.
a holy man.
The holy man
The holy man
looked calm
looked calm
and happy.
and happy.
Who is that man?
Who is that man?
Siddhartha asked
Siddhartha asked
his charioteer.
his charioteer,
That is a holy man.
that is a holy man.
Your Highness,
Your Highness,
he has given up
he has given up
everything
everything
and he only prays to God.
and he only prays to God.
Now,
Now,
Siddhartha was
Siddhartha was
no longer happy.
no longer happy.
Now,
Now,
Siddhartha was
Siddhartha was
no longer happy in his fine palace.
no longer happy in his fine palace.
He felt
He felt
he should do
he should do
something about suffering,
something about suffering,
sickness,
sickness,
and sadness.
and sadness.
One night,
One night,
he left the palace
he left the palace
and his family.
and his family.
He went away
He went away
to the forest.
to the forest.
He wanted to
He wanted to
find
find
a way
a way
for people
for people
to be happy.
to be happy.
He was
He was
in the forest
in the forest
for
for
49 days,
49 days,
night and day.
night and day.
He prayed.
He prayed.
At the end of 49 days,
At the end of 49 days,
Siddhartha
Siddhartha
felt that
felt that
he had
he had
the answers
the answer
to his questions.
to his question.
He became
He became
Buddha
the
or
or
the enlightened one.
the enlightened one.
People
People
started gathering
starting gathering
to meet him,
to meet him,
and
and
he
he
spoke to them.
spoke to them.
He asked them
He asked them
to be kind
to be kind
to one another.
to one another.
He taught them
He taught them
to be kind to animals.
to be kind to animals.
He said
He said
they should speak the truth
they should speak the truth
and should always be honest.
and should always be honest.
He said that
He said that
if people were kind,
if people were kind,
good,
good,
and honest,
and honest,
then there would be
then there would be
less sadness
less sadness
and suffering
and suffering
in the world.
in the world.
Many people
Many people
came to listen
came to listen
to his teachings.
to his teaching.
The people
The people
who became his followers,
to became his followers,
the people
the people
who became his followers,
the people who became his follower,
the people
the people
who
who
became
became
his followers
his follower
were
were
called
called
Buddhists.
Buddhist.
Ashoka the Great
Ashoka the Great
also
also
became
became
a Buddhist
a Buddhist
after
after
seeing the sorrow.
seeing the sorrow.
he had caused in the battle of Kalinga.
the battle of Kalinga.
Ashoka
Ashoka
sent his son
sent his son
and daughter
and daughter
to
to
far off
far off
lands
land
to spread
to spread
Buddha's
Buddha's
teachings
teaching
of love and kindness.
of love and kindness.
His
His
teaching has
teaching has
now
now
spread to
spread to
all corners of the world.
all corner of the world.
You must have seen
You must have seen
idols of
idols of
laughing
laughing
Buddha
Buddha
in many homes,
in many homes,
gifting them
giving them
to your
to your
loved ones
loved ones.
is said to bring
Is said to bring
good luck
good luck
to them.
to them.
Thank you.